In today's video, I'm going to teach you create subtasks on ClickUp, easy step-by-step guide. We'll start from the overview page of your workspace, just to get our bearings. From here, head to your spaces in the left sidebar. Spaces are the top-level containers where your folders, lists, and tasks live, so choosing the right one matters. Click into the space that's relevant to your work. For this walkthrough, I'll use a space named Projects as an example, but feel free to follow along in whichever space you're using today. Once you're inside the space, open the list where your task lives. Lists keep related tasks together and make it easy to see everything at a glance. Make sure you're in the list view so your tasks display in rows with quick actions. This view is ideal for creating subtasks quickly and consistently. Now, find the task that should hold your subtasks, the parent task. Hover your mouse over that task and look for the small plus icon that appears next to it. That plus icon is your shortcut to adding subtasks directly under the selected task, so give it a click. A subtask field will open. Type the name of your subtask. Keep it clear and actionable so anyone on your team instantly understands what needs to be done. When you're happy with the title, click Save. That's your first subtask created. Let's add one more so you can see the flow. Again, hover over the same parent task, click the plus icon, enter a descriptive subtask name, and click Save. You now have multiple subtasks neatly organized under a single parent task, which is perfect for breaking larger work into smaller, trackable pieces. At this point, you're essentially done creating subtasks in ClickUp. If you like, you can glance at the status column to keep your workflow clean. Mark a subtask as in progress when you start working on it, or complete when it's finished. Keeping statuses up to date helps your team quickly understand what's moving and what's blocked. A quick tip: if you don't see the plus icon, double check that you're in list view and that you're hovering directly over the parent task. Also, short, specific subtask names tend to work best. They're easier to scan and report on later, and that's it. You've successfully created subtasks in ClickUp using the plus icon beside your task. Name them clearly, and save them in the correct list and space. If this tutorial was helpful, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.